Hey guys, it's Cesare, and today's video I'm going to share the new villa that I rented. It's a one-bedroom villa with private kitchen and private living room, but it's just a shared pool. But yeah, anyways, it's kind of cute. That's why I like it. It's like, what do you call it? You can, like, if you're really into IG worthy, type of person, I think this villa is really best for you, because I mean you could explore any areas of your villa and then take some pictures or whatever. That's what I did. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, this is what's outside the villa. That's the Belle Villa, and there's ATM beside that villa. And here we go. That's the Belle Villa. This is where the front desk and the lobby area. You can see that. And I think this is also part of the lobby area. And the pool. I think it's cute, even though it's small. I haven't swim here actually. And then there's, I don't know, sunbed or whatever. And then here's the room. So we have 102, 101. And then there's a hallway. And yeah, so far I'm loving this area, or I'm loving this villa, because I have my own kitchen, my own living room and stuff. So yeah guys, I'm on the room 106. Let's get inside. See, it's so nice. Like, I have my own garden, little garden here. And then I have my living room. It's so nice. So yeah, my living room here, and then have my own kitchen. There you go. You can actually find them on Airbnb and booking.com. I can post the links below. And this is my bedroom. It is so nice. Again, yeah, can you just see that? Oh my god, so beautiful. And then there's television in there, and this is the cabinet. I'm not gonna show because it's kind of messy inside. And this is the bathroom, or the restroom. So they have bathtub, and then there's frames and stuff. It's really cute. And then there's the shower. Yeah, so I guess what I don't like about this shower is that there's a lot of leaves falling down, because this is an open area on this part. But maybe, like, to feel more nature or whatever, probably. So yeah. Yeah, I think it's really cool. I like it. So yeah, that's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, hit the thumbs up. Do not forget to follow me on my social media. I'll be posting it below as usual. And yeah, see you on the next video. Bye!